back to my channel, Haitian Dining with Marie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make Pwason sauce, also known as fish in sauce. But before we get started, I would like to thank everybody for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for that. Now I have 500 subscribers. For the people who are new, thank you so much for tuning in. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. And let's get started. Today's ingredients: 4 pounds of red snappers fish, 3 limes, salt, 1 cup of white vinegar. These ingredients are just for cleaning the fish. For the seasoning part, I have garlic salt, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, 1 tablespoon lime juice, 2 tablespoons Haitian epis, along with 1 tablespoon of sofrito, just for seasoning. For the cooking part, I got 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons tomato paste, 1 tablespoon regular butter, 2 tablespoons of coconut milk. This is optional. Green and red bell peppers, and 1 whole onion. After I cut the fins, I will clean the fish 3 times with vinegar, limes, and salt. Next, I will rinse the fish with cold water. To see how I clean my fish, please click the link below on the description box. I already add the seasoning ingredients and let sit for 1 hour. After I preheat the pan on medium-high heat, I will add the oil and tomato paste and let it saute for 1 minute and add the water to dilute the tomato paste. I'm adding the fish to the pan and pour 1 cup of water to cook the fish. After 10 minutes has passed, I will add the coconut milk for Caribbean flavor. And remember, it's only optional. I'm going to put the leftover seasoning water to make the sauce. I'm adding butter, hot pepper, green, red bell peppers, parsley, thyme, and onion. You don't have to put onion, but I like onions and I put it because I like it. After I add all the vegetables, and I let it simmer for another 15 to 20 minutes in low heat. Here is the final result. This is the final product. Bon appétit! Thanks everyone for watching my video. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below of what Haitian dish I should do next time. And don't forget to hit the bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.